In this video, we'll be looking at stock management in the OTR app. On the main menu screen, I have the option to press stock, and this will take me in to view the stock that has been downloaded into the app from my working profile stock location. And this could be my car or van that my working profile is associated with. And when I view the stock, I will see any product or service or treatment plan that I currently have set up in that stock location. So I'm going to press stock. This takes me in and I can now see a list of all the items I have downloaded to be able to be booked offline in the app. What I can see here is some items are greyed out and some are coloured in black. The greyed out items are in my current stock location but are out of stock or unavailable. I can still book them, but I won't actually have any dispensary done from my stock location. The coloured black items are in stock. I also have a P for product, a TP for treatment plan, and also an S for services as the first item on each row. Going into the items, I can now see more detail such as the code, the description, the quantity on hand in my stock location, the unit it's sold in, any type and subtype, and whether the product euthanizes or neuters. And scrolling down, I can also see a breakdown of price details such as the unit price and any service fees that are attached to this product. Also, if there are price profiles, I'll be able to see these listed on this particular screen. If I scroll back up again, I can go back, and now I'm going to look at the top part of this screen where I have an icon in the center there, which is the filter icon. This will allow me to filter items. So if I press it, I can filter by all products, all services, all treatment plans, all products that are in stock in my location or out of stock. And this will adjust the list accordingly, as you can see in this video now. So I show all my products, hit done. I can also search for products or services or treatment plans using the search box. And if I type B, I can see it's filtered the list down to all items beginning with B. I press X to clear and cancel to take me back to the main screen. On the right hand side, I have a sync icon, and this will allow me to update the app with any updates to my stock that have been made back in the main VetIT application. By pressing this, I'm now online, connecting back to the system to update the prices and quantities, and I can see the update is now complete, and my list has been refreshed. If I go into settings, I can change my stock location under stock settings. This will allow me to change vehicles or stock locations and update my catalogue of items and services. But I have to confirm that I want to update, because this will require a resync back to VetIT. So I get this prompt. If I hit confirm, I now have to perform a sync because items previously booked with the old stock need to be put back into VetIT first. Once this is done, I then download the latest stock list from the newly selected stock location, including any price profiles that are attached. And this will update the app so that I can now book with these products and services.